Are you looking to make money online? In the digital age, the internet is not just a hub for information, but also an ocean of opportunities. It's essential to understand the proven strategies to capitalize on this platform. Today, we're exploring 5 such strategies that could help you earn $1,000 online every month. No tricks, no scams, just tried and tested methods. So, if you're ready to transform your online presence into a revenue stream, let's dive into the first strategy. Our first strategy is participating in online surveys. It's simple, really. Companies want to know your opinion and are willing to pay for it. You sign up at a legitimate survey site, fill out surveys, and voila, you earn money. But how do you spot a legitimate site? Look for ones that are free to join and have established reputations like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Now let's talk about earnings. On average, you might make from 50 cents to $2 per survey. Not a goldmine, right? But here's the trick. Sign up for multiple survey sites. The more sites you're registered with, the more surveys you get and the more money you make. Remember, this strategy requires consistency and a bit of time investment. But it's a surefire way to make some extra cash every month. That's strategy number 1. Now let's move on to strategy number 2. Our second strategy is freelancing. Imagine having the opportunity to work whenever you want, wherever you want, and on projects you're passionate about. That's the beauty of freelancing. This strategy entails offering your skills as services on a contractual basis. The range of skills that can be monetized through freelancing is vast, from graphic design, content writing, programming, to digital marketing, and so much more. So how do you find clients? The internet is your oyster. There are numerous platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can showcase your skills and find potential clients. However, setting competitive rates is crucial. You want to price your services fairly while also valuing your time and effort. To do this, research what others in your field are charging and consider your level of expertise. That wraps up strategy number 2. Now onto strategy number 3. Strategy number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based business where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. How does it work? It's pretty straightforward. You choose a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale made through your affiliate link. Getting started with affiliate marketing is as easy as signing up for an affiliate program, selecting a product, and sharing your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate offer a wide range of products to choose from. The potential for earnings? It's quite substantial. However, the key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing the right products. You want to promote products that are relevant to your audience, high in quality, and have a good commission rate. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, effort, and strategic planning. That's all for strategy number 3. Let's move on to the fourth strategy. The fourth strategy is selling products online. The digital marketplace is vast and varied, offering opportunities for selling anything from handmade crafts and vintage items to digital products like ebooks or design templates. Sourcing products can be as simple as creating them yourself, or you can explore wholesale purchasing or drop shipping options. This strategy comes with the benefit of flexibility. You decide what to sell and how to market it. However, it also presents challenges such as competition and the need for effective marketing strategies. In terms of platforms, giants like Amazon and eBay are popular choices, but don't overlook niche sites like Etsy for crafts or Gumroad for digital products. Now that we've covered strategy number 4, let's move on to the final strategy. Our final strategy is online tutoring. This is where your knowledge and expertise can really shine. Online tutoring involves teaching a subject or skill over the internet. You can do this through various platforms that connect tutors with students. To get started, identify your area of expertise, then sign up on tutoring websites. Some sites may require a degree or certification, but others just need proof of your knowledge. Setting your rates will depend on your experience, the subject, and market rates. However, tutors can often earn between $20 to $50 per hour. The potential earnings are substantial, especially if you specialize in a high-demand subject. Remember, the key to successful online tutoring is being an expert in your field, and that concludes our final strategy for making money online. So, there we have it. 5 proven strategies to make $1,000 online every month. From taking online surveys to freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products online, and online tutoring. Each of these methods requires dedication, time, and effort. But remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start implementing these strategies today and pave your way to a steady online income. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Before we wrap up, we want to take a moment to ask for your support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes and shares help us reach more people who might benefit from these strategies. If you found value in our content, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. More exciting and informative content is on the way, and we don't want you to miss out. Thank you for your support. Until next time, keep hustling.